today we'll be looking at creating a portfolio as content writer with zero experience. So now, what is it? Why do you even need a portfolio? A portfolio is your digital CV that shows your skill of expertise, your writing style, your values, your tone. What makes you different? Really, basically, your portfolio is your digital CV that shows that you can actually get the work done. So the first thing you're going to be needing for a portfolio is a sample of your work. But then, how do you get a sample of work with that experience? So the first thing to do is actually, first of all, choose a niche. Okay, so what kind of niche do you want to specialize in for content writing? Because content writing has different career paths. So do you want to specialize? Do you want to become a search engine optimized blog post writer like this for the SaaS industry, or do you want to be do you want to write for B2B, or you want to write for B2C businesses, or do you want to specialize in fashion, a aspect of fashion? So you choose a niche. Okay, so after choosing the niche, then you look for businesses or organizations that are already in that space that you can write a blog post for. You can write an email newsletter for, if you want to specialize as an email writer. Maybe you want to write email copies or email newsletters. So when you do that, after doing that, then that would not inform the organization you'll be reaching out to. So some of them may already have a blog, some may not even have a blog, but you write it for them. If they have a blog, you get it published. You can also get platforms where you can write as a guest post writer. Okay, so you go there, you write to them, and then they invite you, so you get your articles published. So that is one aspect of it. So but then what happens when you do not you cannot find clients or people that, even maybe friends and family, that are willing to allow you to offer this service for free? Then secondly, that's when you go to the next one of publishing on your own. So you look for platforms like Medium, LinkedIn. Choose a niche, you start writing about it. You look like the platforms you can publish for free on Medium, on LinkedIn. You publish for free, and then you get your links, and then you can share. You can actually use it to get your work published. Okay, and then after you've got that, then you can have your set up your portfolio website using platforms, content management platforms like WordPress, Framer, Wix, where you can host your portfolio. So if you are still enjoying this to this point, you are still watching to this point, please click on the subscribe button. Like, as you write for businesses and for individuals, as you volunteer to write for free, maybe you write blog articles for your church or friends or businesses for free, ensure that you also get testimonials. Okay, what did your article, your SEO article, what did it do for your customers? Did they get more reach? Did they get more visibility? Make sure that you are getting testimonies in form of statistics. What exactly did they help businesses to achieve? So these testimonials, you'll be able to post these testimonials on your portfolio website. Okay, so then, like I said the other time, if you're in a content writing space, just like a ghostwriter, your own sample of work would be to write your own book. Yes, to be able to at least write one book, to be able to persuade your clients that yes, you actually know what it means, what it is to write a book from start to finish. So you have your own blog post. And if you are an email newsletter and you have not gotten organizations to volunteer for free, you personally can launch a digital product. Yeah, you can launch a digital product. It can be free. It can even be a free product where you get people to sign up ahead of the launch date, and then you keep writing an email newsletter to them. You create them email copies. If you can host the digital product and the emails newsletters on platforms like MailChimp for free. So by so doing, track the open rates, the delivery, the click rates. So you have statistics to prove to your clients that they get the work done. So what am I saying in essence is that to build a portfolio, you don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You can even have a free blog where you have your www.blogger.com.wordpress.com. But the most important thing is to get your portfolio accumulated, starting with free samples of work. You get your links, you get your testimonials back. Okay, so what then happens? But if you're in a space where you do not even have the design skills, website design skills, to even set up maybe even a free website, whether WordPress, using WordPress, Framer, Wix, or what exactly you do, what you can do then, in order not to limit yourself, is to make sure that you have copies of your work written in Google Doc and saved up in PDF Okay, so you collect those PDF and save them all together in saved as PDF, sorry. Then make sure that they are those articles, you can collate them in your Google Drive. So maybe your best articles, best 7 articles, best 8 articles. They don't have to be 50 or a number that will get the clients frustrated, you understand. So just your best shot, so you accumulate it on a Google Drive, and then you're good to go. So you so that when you speak to clients, whether you are DMing them or you're reaching out to them, cold emailing, or on freelancing platforms, you'll be able to send them link to your portfolio. If you're setting out, your portfolio does not have to be perfect. You can start with Google Drive. You can start with Google Drive, and eventually you can move to eventually when you're ready, you move to your a web standard website, any content management system, WordPress, Mixer, and then you start. You go from there. So you just have to start. Make it easy for yourself. Look for the easiest ways to start to sort out your portfolio and start reaching out. Learn if you are new to the content writing, but you have no idea and you want to learn more. I'll be dropping links to my previous video on where they setting me on how to start out as a content writer with zero experience. I'm putting that. And if you want to learn more about digital skills that you can quickly learn, maybe content writing does not tickle your fancy, you can actually I'll link another of my video in the description. So please do not forget to please give your videos a thumb up, like, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.